2018 there was an announcement by a Chinese an associate professor of biophysics in China. His name is He Jiankui. And He Jiankui, this is a popular story in the genome editing realm. He Jiankui had edited two embryos which he implanted that resulted in the birth of two kids. But let's say two kids in 2018 when he made an announcement, which he named Nunu and Lala and Nana, Lulu and Nana. And what he had done with these embryos was that he had edited these embryos to inactivate a gene it's called the CCR5 gene. Now that gene encodes the receptor protein
Yeah.
to which HIV binds, right? So your T cells have express the CCR5 receptor proteins. HIV binds, and when HIV binds to them, it can destroy them. So, but there's this very small portion of people in the world who don't have functioning CCR5 genes, and so their bodies can produce that, and they don't get HIV. And so what he did was that he inactivated this gene in these embryos so that the children who would be born would be resistant to HIV. Now the problem with that is we have not gotten to a point where we can do these things in embryos, because when you do that, it affects every cell in the embryo. It affects the life of that embryo completely. But we are still at a time where our technology is not that advanced. There are many things we can do, but there's a lot that we cannot do. And what we cannot do right now is exactly that. We cannot edit embryos and implant them so that children are actually born from those embryos. So he did that.